Hello, everyone. I've decided to do this week's report on a Web 2.0 app that I haven't used before, and I heard good things. This is Remind, and it's a teacher application that can also be utilized by parents and students. Um, and I'll kind of do a quick demo of everything that I've learned. And it's a very straightforward application. The user interface is extremely easy. Even someone like me who's technology challenge can definitely get on top of. So just to kind of give you an idea, when you sign in, you kind of set up and you choose what your user access level is. So I just kind of did a demo as a teacher and filled in some fake names and numbers and things. But on right here, you can kind of put your the classes that you're involved with for that um, semester, and you can kind of have it lined up. Here I have an example science course. You can have as many as you want within each one. Um, you have you, and then you can have your selected list. You just add each of the recipients. When you add somebody, they'll bring you this field, and you can add the recipient, put their email or address, however um, they wish to communicate. You could also have you have different ways to add people on your left toggle. Um, but to kind of give you an idea of the overview of what exactly you do in this application. Um, it allows parents and teachers and students the ability to communicate using instant messaging. And when you do this, you can kind of keep organized. You can set reminders. You can set calendar-based events. Uh, One example that I have set up for you already is John Smith. I was able to send him a message. I just put great job, but you can pretty much add or put anything you want. If it's an assignment graded or do you want to give them um, extra work, something like that, you can keep the example for the parent. You could have them together so that you can keep everybody on the same page. Um, with larger class sizes, I thought this tool was a great addition. So, um, and even small, it seems like it would be really easy to get electronically sent files. And when you're doing projects and you want your classmates interacting together, it seems like a very private and safe user face to kind of get all this done. So again, it's one of the reasons I selected it, and I had not gone in with any training or knowledge of what this was prior, and definitely would incorporate this into my classroom. It's just really easy to use, and that simplicity for me is huge. So on the here also you can have reminders. You have a lot of different ways of keeping your students and even the parents and coworkers on task when it comes to certain projects that you want done. You could have accountability in this way. So I thought this was great. And obviously, the search it's pretty simple to use. So you can kind of move around the settings page. You can kind of put different owners in based on um, how you want to set up your student and the parents interaction to certain items. So all in all, a very simple and easy to use application, and I think it'll be valuable in small intimate settings and larger class sizes as well. So um, I hope you enjoyed my presentation, and let me know if there's any other questions. Thank you.